Good morning and welcome. We are going directly to Vadodara in Gujarat. Prime Minister Narendra Modi's visit scheduled. It's a roadshow about to begin. Piyush Mishra is on the ground. Piyush, good morning. Over to you now. What does it look like in Gujarat where he's set to inaugurate projects worth 82,000 crore rupees? It's his home state. After all, repeated member of parliament, former chief minister is in the home state now.
Well, absolutely, Pooja. Prime Minister Narendra Modi is in Gujarat, his home state, and he is on a two-day visit, and he has come here after the successful Operation Sindoor, and that's why thousands of women from across Vadodara have gathered here to welcome Prime Minister. Remember that a couple of minutes back, Prime Minister carried out a grand roadshow at this very intersection from where right now I am reporting, and wherever you will see, you will only find women holding tractor in their hand to welcome PM Narendra Modi. They all were excited to see PM Narendra Modi as he landed in Gujarat for the first time after the success of Operation Sindoor. And during his visit to Gujarat, Prime Minister is now going to dedicate projects for rupees more than 82,000 crore to the people of Gujarat. So Operation Sindoor, the message is clear, and the people were here to congratulate Prime Minister, and he has just conducted his roadshow in Vadodara, and from here he is now moving towards Dahod, and you can see wherever my camera will pan, you will only see people on the streets to welcome Prime Minister, and there are patriotic songs that are being played on the streets of Vadodara. Everyone is holding tricolor, and they are here to congratulate Prime Minister for the success of Operation Sindoor. So it's a huge, grand welcome for Prime Minister Narendra Modi, and from here, Prime Minister is now directly heading to Dahod, then he will go to Bhuj, then Ahmedabad, and there are multiple projects, developmental projects worth rupees more than 82,000 crore. Those are all set to be dedicated to the people of Gujarat, and that's why Prime Minister is here, and he is here for the first time after the success of Operation Sindoor. And I would ask my video journalist to continue to show you the visuals of this very place where Narendra Modi had come a couple of days back. Let me also try to get enough word from few people who have come here. कहाँ से आए आप लोग? कहाँ से आए?
हमें बड़ौदा से ही है
जी। आप प्रधानमंत्री अभी यहाँ से गए, क्या कैसा लगा?
बहुत अच्छा लगा, बहुत अच्छा लगा। मोदी हमको बहुत अच्छा लगता है। मोदी चाचा है तो हमको बहुत पसंद है। इनका जैसा बड़ा प्रधान कोई है ही नहीं, और उनका जैसा कोई होगा भी नहीं। ऐसे ऐसा करते हैं।
हाथ में तिरंगे झंडे लिए यहाँ पर महिलाएं काफी खड़ी हैं। क्या मैसेज आप लोग दे रहे हैं?
ये ऑपरेशन सिंदूर जो है ये महिलाओं के लिए रखा गया है। ये एक बहुत बड़ी अपॉर्चुनिटी महिलाओं को दी है मोदी साहब ने, इसलिए हम सब मोदी साहब का बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया करना चाहते हैं। जय हिंद, जय भारत।
आप क्या कहेंगे?
मैं यहाँ से हूँ, पर यूएस रहती हूँ, पर पहली बार मोदी जी को इतना नजदीक से देखा तो मेरे लिए बहुत गर्व की बात है।
अच्छा लगा उनको देख के?
बहुत अच्छा, 1.5 घंटे से हम खड़े थे यहाँ देखने के लिए।
मोदी का
बहुत बड़े फैन है।
खुश हो गए मोदी जी
हाथों में तिरंगा झंडा और ऑपरेशन सिंदूर की टोपी मैंने देखा महिलाओं को यहाँ पर पहने हुए घूम रही है। किस तरह का भाव है इस वक्त?
सिंदूर विश्व का भाव है। और भाई जय भारत, जय माता की। होगा भी नहीं, आगे भी नहीं होगा और कभी भी नहीं होगा। मोदी है तो सब कुछ है, सब कुछ है। मोदी है तो सब कुछ है, मोदी है तो सब कुछ है।
ये कैप पहनी हुई ऑपरेशन सिंदूर की क्या कहेंगे?
सिर पर हमको ताज दिया है, ताज दिया है मोदी ने हमको, सिर पर ताज दिया है। इसकी मेहरबानी ने हमारी जीत है। मोदी की जय हो।
All right, so clearly loud cheers in support of Prime Minister Modi. He's after all the son of the soil in many ways. Gujarat ka beta, who's now the Prime Minister of the country. I also want you to listen in to Harsh Sanghvi. He's the Home Minister of the state of Gujarat, and here's what he told India today.
ऑपरेशन सिंदूर के भव्य सफलता के बाद देश के लोकप्रिय प्रधानमंत्री आदरणीय श्री नरेंद्र भाई मोदी जी आज पहली बार जब गुजरात पधार रहे हैं, वडोदरा में हजारों की संख्या में बहनें हाथ में पूजा की आरती सिंदूर लेके मोदी जी के स्वागत के लिए तैयार है। वडोदरा की गली गली में आज एक ही नारा गूंज रहा है, देश की सेना को अभिनंदन अभिनंदन, मोदी जी को अभिनंदन।
भावना है लोगों के अंदर, गुजरात के अंदर।
एक सीधी सी बात है, आप देख सकते हो हजारों की संख्या में बहनें चारों ओर खुशियों में, खासतौर पे जिस प्रकार से भारतीय सेना ने आतंकवाद के अड्डों को एवं आतंकवाद के आकाओं को ध्वस्त कर लिया है, उसको लेके देश के कश्मीर से लेके कन्याकुमारी तक सभी जगहों पे लोगों में बहुत खुशी का माहौल है। और खास तौर पे हमारे लोकप्रिय नेता ऑपरेशन सिंदूर की भव्य सफलता के बाद जब पहली बार पधार रहे, आप देख सकते हो लोगों में किस प्रकार की।
प्रधानमंत्री को क्या कहना चाहेंगे आज जब प्रधानमंत्री आते हैं यहाँ पर?
मैं देश की सेना को नतमस्तक होके वंदन करता हूं, मोदी जी को अभिनंदन करता हूं।
So clearly, remember, while of course Prime Minister Modi has arrived, as you can see in the latest visuals, and this is not, of course, the first visit. There have been multiple visits over the past few years. In Vadodara this time it's special because this is his visit to his home state after Operation Sindoor. And this, remember, is in many ways being seen as a sort of victory rally as much by the supporters, by the workers. Decked up in a orange saffron jacket, Prime Minister Modi also referring possibly to a symbolic message there. And where he has been, at least remember, three-time Chief Minister. And now as a Prime Minister after Operation Sindoor success, that's Prime Minister Narendra Modi in Vadodara. The reason he's there is basically for the development of Gujarat. We are told the focus will be on Dahod and Bhuj area specifically. It's a two-day visit. He will inaugurate and lay the foundation stone. Major infrastructure projects are being announced in Dahod, Bhuj and Gandhinagar. So this is the first leg of the visit, as you see. Full-on Hindi film songs, patriotic Indian songs being played as Prime Minister Narendra Modi arrives. Look at that. A flower shower from his supporters. Let's dip into the sounds and cheers.
भारत माता की
Narendra Modi, he'll also flag off the first electric locomotive manufactured at the plant there. In many ways, remember, to make Gujarat a manufacturing hub. That's been a focus for Prime Minister Modi to invite world-level investments. Piyush Mishra is on the ground. Full-on folk dances, songs and cheers. Piyush, in case you can hear me, as Prime Minister Modi's cavalcade passes you by, tell me more about the mood and the kind of celebrations on the ground.
Well, around me you will see the visuals, Pooja. Here the women of Vadodara are seen performing Garba as, PM Narendra Modi has landed here and he has just conducted a road show, and you can see 360-degree view around me where the women are holding, caps on their forehead of Operation Sindoor are performing Garba here, and the message is clear of Operation Sindoor, and they are here to thank PM Narendra Modi and congratulate him for the success of Operation Sindoor. You can see as to how the happy faces, the excited faces are here of the women who are now dancing on the patriotic song. So these are the visuals which tell us the story of the love which PM Narendra Modi enjoys, and that's the stage of Vadodara, which has now been set up right in front of airport here in Vadodara, airport in Vadodara, and here the female workers of BJP and the people of Vadodara have come here, and they are now sending a message to the entire world. सुनो गौर से दुनिया वालों, बुरे ज़रा हम पे डालो, जोर जो है हम दिखाएंगे. So that's the message which the women of Vadodara are also sending, and they are very happy that PM Narendra Modi is here, and you can see a cap which this lady is now putting on her head, which sends us the message of Operation Sindoor, and they all are seen holding a tractor in their hand. Let me try to get in a word from them and understand the sentiments which are there in the people of Vadodara. मैम, प्रधानमंत्री आए, उनसे मुलाकात हुई, आपकी देखा आपने टोपी पहनी हुई ऑपरेशन सिंदूर, उस पर लिखा हुआ है. क्या मैसेज आप लोग देना चाहते हैं? मैं ऐसा बोलती हूँ, मोदी जी के आने से हम लेडीजों की सुरक्षा है. हम अपने हिसाब से जो भी करते हैं अपने दम पे करते हैं, और मोदी जी से हमको हिम्मत मिलती है, एक ताकत मिलती है लेडीज को. अब पहले हमको नहीं थी, हमको बहुत ताकत मिलती है अभी. एक नारी सब पे बारी. तो you can see that. जी मैम,
मोदी जी का धन्यवाद, 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 मोदी जी का धन्यवाद, 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 मोदी जी का धन्यवाद.
धन्यवाद किस बात का?
ऑपरेशन सिंदूर बहुत सक्सेस किया है और पाकिस्तान का झगड़ा तोड़ दिया, पाकिस्तान का झगड़ा तोड़ दिया, और सब बहनों को बहुत उत्साह है, इसीलिए उनका अभिनंदन. धन्यवाद, धन्यवाद, मोदी जी को धन्यवाद.
आप क्या कहेंगे?
मोदी जी को धन्यवाद है. पूरे गुजरात की, नॉट इवन गुजरात, पूरे भारत की सब महिला गौरव से बोल रही है कि मोदी जी ने हमारे सिंदूर की.
आप प्रधानमंत्री को देखा, आपने मिले उनसे, कुछ कहने की इच्छा थी आपकी?
अभी तो बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है हमें. मोदी साहब आके गए, जो हमारे वो जो ऑपरेशन सिंदूर है वो सक्सेसफुल हो गया है. यहाँ पे सब बहनें उत्साही है. पूरे आप देख रहे हो कि पूरे एरिया में, पूरे जगह में सब बहनें ही बहनें, सब बहनें उत्साही है.
So you can see the happy faces here of the women who have gathered here, Pooja, in large numbers, and they are very excited and happy to see their beloved leader, Narendra
Tell me
Modi.
this, I find it interesting. Of course, there's the infrastructure Vikas push for Prime Minister Modi. Locomotive manufacturing plant is being inaugurated. There will be other events as well. The Gujarat urban growth story is going to be the focus. But what I see, the sentiment on the ground is more about Operation Sindoor. Piyush, if you can hear me, can we say that clearly at this juncture, this has a lot to do with Operation Sindoor as much as, of course, the Vikas push? Right, Modi, cheers, look at that. The number of people, and remember in Gujarat, it's not, of course, in many ways, all organized or collected. Look at that. It's after all his home state. He's led the state at least thrice, and then has been a prime minister now again in the third tenure. From 4 kilometers now, I can see there's been a flower petal shower for Prime Minister Modi. Women clearly at the forefront. So these are songs, and he's ensuring that he's not just simply sitting in the car. He's waving to the people, to the supporters who must have been there since early this morning. And this urban growth is, of course, very important for Prime Minister Modi, not just because of the home state, but because it's a border state.